Welcome friends, we are going to design a tall building. This
This
is
is
our
our
problem
problem
statement.
statement.
The
The
plan
plan
for
for
story
story
1
1
to
to
8
8
is
is
this.
this.
The
The
dead
dead
load
load
and
and
live
live
load
load
for
for
the
the
stories
stories
are
are
given
given
here.
here.
Similarly
Similarly,
for
for
the
the
other
other
stories,
stories,
the
the
plan
plan
and
and
dead
dead
load
load,
live
live
load
load
are
are
given.
given.
For
For
story
story
9
9
to
to
14,
14,
this
this
is the
is the
plan.
plan.
For
For
15
15
to
to
19,
19,
this
this
is
is
the
the
plan.
plan.
And
And
for
for
20
20
to
to
23,
23,
this
this
is the
is the
plan.
plan.
The
The
beams
beams
and
and
column
column
sizes
sizes
are
are
defined
defined
here.
here.
We
We
are
are
going
going
to
to
use
use
the
the
auto
auto
select
select
option
option
in
in
the
the
ATABS.
ATABS.
The
The
material
material
is
is
M40
M40
concrete,
concrete,
HYSD
HYSD
500
500
rebar,
rebar,
and
and
MAE
MAE
250
250
rebar.
rebar.
The
The
slab
slab
is
is
of
of
M40
M40
concrete
concrete
and
and
have
have
thickness
thickness
of
of
150
150
mm.
mm.
We
We
are
are
going to
going to
use
use
the
the
auto
auto
drag
drag
cladding
cladding
option.
option.
The
The
cladding
cladding
load
load
will
will
be
be
0.2
0.2
kN
kilonewton
per
per
meter.
meter.
Build
Wind
load
load
is
is
considered
considered
according
according
to
to
the
the
parameters
parameters
in
in
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
So
So
let's
let's
get
get
started
started
with
with
the
the
project.
project.
First,
First,
we
we
select the
select the
new
new
model.
model.
Then
Then
we
we
select the
select the
setting
setting
as
as
display
display
unit
unit
as
as
metric
metric
SI,
SI,
steel
steel database
database as
as
Indian,
Indian,
steel
steel
code
code
as
as
IS
IS
800,
800,
concrete
concrete
code
code
as
as
IS
IS
456.
456.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
number
number
of
of
grid
grid
lines
lines
in
like
like direction
direction
are
are
4,
4,
in y
y
direction
direction
also
also
4.
4.
The spacing
Spacing
in
in
grid
grid
lines
lines
is
is
6
6
in
in
both
both
directions.
directions.
The
The
total
total
number
number
of
of
stories
stories
are
are
23.
23.
The
The
typical
typical
story
story
height
height
and
and
bottom
bottom
story
story
height
height
are
are
same
same
as
as
3
3
meters.
meters.
Then
Then
we
we
go
go
to
to
custom
custom
story
story
data
data
and
and
edit
edit
story.
story.
Then
Then
we
we
have to
have to
select
select
the
the
master
master
story
story
as
as
its
its
story
story
8.
8.
Then
Then
as the
as the
1
1
to
to
8
8
story
story
are
are
similar,
similar,
we
we
have
have
selected
selected
story
story
8
8
as
as
our
our
master
master
story.
story.
Then
Then
for
for
9 to
9 to
14
14
we
we
select
select
story
story
14
14
as
as
the
the
master
master
story.
story.
Then
Then
15 to
15 to
19 we
19 we
select
select
story
story
19
19
as the
as the
master
master
story.
story.
For
For
20
20
to
to
23
23,
the
the
story
story
23 is
23 is
already
already
selected
selected
as
as
master
master
story.
story.
So
So
now
now
we
we
have to
have to
select
select
the
the
similar
similar
stories.
stories.
We
We
will
will
put
put
story
story
8
8
in
in
all
all
these
these
options
options
as
as
1
1
to
to
8
8
are
are
similar
similar
stories.
stories.
Here
Here
we
we
will
will
select
select
story
story
14
14
as
as
the
the
similar
similar
story,
story,
as
as
9
9
to
to
15
15
are
are
the
the
similar
similar
stories.
stories.
Sorry,
Sorry,
9 to
9 to
14.
14.
Here
Here
we
we
select
select
story
story
19.
19.
And
And
here
here
the
the
story
story
23 is
23 is
already
already
selected.
selected.
So
So
all
all
the
the
stories
stories
have
have
been
been
set.
set.
Select
Select
OK.
OK.
Grid
Grid
only
only
option
option
is
is
selected.
selected.
Select
Select
OK.
OK.
The
The
grid
grid
has
has
been
been
created.
created.
Now
Now
we
we
will
will
define
define
material,
material,
add
add
new
new
material,
material,
Indian
Indian
material
material
type,
type,
concrete,
concrete,
standard
standard
Indian,
Indian,
grade
grade
M40.
M40.
Okay.
Okay.
Again
Again
we
we
will
will
select
select
OK.
OK.
Add
Add
new
new
material.
material.
Here
Here
we
we
are
are
selecting
selecting
rebar
rebar
type
type
material,
material,
standard
standard
Indian,
Indian,
grade
grade
HYSD
HYSD
grade
grade
500.
500.
Okay.
Okay.
Again
Again
OK.
OK.
Add
Add
new
new
material.
material.
All
All
the
the
options
options
are
are
same.
same.
The
The
grade
grade
is
is
mild
mild
grade
grade
250.
250.
Select
Select
OK.
OK.
Again
Again
OK.
OK.
All the
All the
materials
materials
have
have
been
been
defined.
defined.
Now
Now
we
we
will
will
define the
define the
sections.
sections,
Frame
frame
sections.
sections.
According
According
to
to
our
our
problem
problem
statement,
statement,
there
there
are
are
three
three
columns.
columns. So we'll first define all the columns, add new property, rectangle, property name, capital C, 500 by 500, material M40, 500 by 500. To set the reinforcement, HYSD 500, longitudinal bars HYSD 500, confinement bars MI 250. As this is a column, so column is selected. The clear cover is 40. Keep the default option, select OK. Then again select OK. We have to add similar column. The diff size is only different. So add copy property, capital C, 550 into 550. Material is same. Size will be changed. Reinforcement will be the same. All these options will keep same. Select OK. Then again we shall add property. Our third column is of size 600 into 600. So capital C, 600 into 600. 600 is the size. 600. Select OK. Now we will select beam. So add new property. Concrete. Capital B for beam. Size of the first beam is 500 into 300. Material will be M40. Depth will be 500. Width will be 300. Reinforcement. As this is a beam, so M3 design only. Longitudinal bars HYSD 500, confinement bars MI 250. Cover will be 30 and 30. Okay. Okay. We have to add a similar beam, so add copy of property. Capital B. The second beam 550 into 350. So we have to change the dimensions 550 and 350. Select OK. Again add the copy of property. The third beam size is 600 into 400. So dimensions are selected 600, 400. Okay. So now we defined a new property, beam auto select and column auto select. So add now new property, special options auto select list, property name C auto, design type concrete. First all the columns are selected and are added. Select OK. Add new property auto select list, beam auto, design type is concrete. All the beams are selected and added. Select OK. Okay. Now we have to define the slab. So section properties, slab section. Add new property. Slab 150. Material will be M40 and thickness will be 150. Select OK. Select OK. Now we have to start our modeling. First, we will start with the modeling.
First
First go
to
to
story
story
1.
1,
Select
select
similar
similar
stories
stories
option.
option.
Go
Go
to
to
draw
draw
and
and
select
select
quick
quick
draw
draw
columns.
columns.
Here
Here
select the
select the
property
property
as
as
C
C
auto.
auto.
Select
Select
all
all
the
the
columns.
columns.
The
The
columns
columns
are
are
drawn.
drawn.
Now
Now
go
go
to
to
draw.
draw,
Quick
quick
draw
draw
beams.
beams.
Select the
Select the
property
property
as
as
beam
beam
auto.
auto.
Select
Select
all
all
the
the
beams.
beams.
The
The
beams
beams
are
are
drawn.
drawn.
Now
Now
go
go
to
to
draw.
draw,
Draw
draw
floors.
floors,
Quick
quick
draw
draw
floor
floor
walls.
walls.
Select
Select
slab
slab
150.
150.
Select
Select
all
all
the
the
slabs.
slabs.
The
The
slabs
slabs
are
are
created.
created.
Go
Go
to
to
best
best
story
story
and
and
make
make
sure
sure
on
on
the
the
best
best
the slabs
slabs
are
are
not
not
created.
created.
Now
Now
move
move
to
to
story
story
9.
9.
Select
Select
the
the
quick
quick
draw
draw
option.
option.
As
As
you
you
can
can
see,
see,
the
the
plan
plan
of the
of the
9
9
to
to
15
15
stories.
stories.
We
We
have
have
to
to
assign the
assign the
columns
columns
according to
according to
that.
that.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
beams.
beams.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
slabs.
slabs.
Move
Move
up
up
the
the
story
story
to
to
story
story
15.
15.
This
This
plan
plan
for
for
story
story
15
15
to
to
19
19
is
is
this.
this.
So
So
again
again,
quick
quick
draw
draw
columns.
columns.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
beams.
beams.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
slabs.
slabs.
Select
Select
exit.
exit.
Go
Go
to
to
story
story
20.
20.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
columns.
columns.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
beams.
beams.
Quick
Quick
draw
draw
low.
low.
Go
Go
to
to
base.
base.
Select
Select
all
all
the
the
joints.
joints.
First
First,
make
make
sure
sure
select
select
the
the
one
one
story
story
option.
option.
Then
Then
assign
assign
restraints.
restraints.
Fix
Fix
restraint.
restraint.
Apply.
Apply.
Okay.
OK.
So
So
restraints
restraints
has
has
been
been
assigned.
assigned.
Now
Now
we'll
we'll
start
start
the
the
loading.
loading. Go to all stories option. Select all the slabs. Assign shell shell loads uniform. Load pattern is dead. The dead load is 2 kilonewton per meter square on every slab. So add 2, apply, OK. Then select similar storage, select slabs. For story 128 live load is 5 kilonewton. Go to assign shell loads uniform, select live 5 kilonewton per meter square, apply, OK. Go to story 9. Select all the slabs. Go to assign shell loads uniform, live load. Live load for those slabs are 4.5. So 4.5, apply, OK. Go to story 15. For story 15 to 19, the load is 4 kilonewton per meter square. So select slabs, assign shell loads uniform 4 kilonewton per meter square, apply, OK. Go to story 20. For story 20 to 23, live load is 3.5. Select both the slabs, assign shell loads uniform 3.5, OK, apply and OK. So now the live load and dead load is assigned. We will go to story 1. Select the similar stories option. Now we have to apply the auto-cladding load. So select external beams. All the external beams are selected. Go to assign frame loads distributed uniform load form 2, apply and OK. Go to story 9. Select external beams. Go to assign frame loads distributed. Font 2 is already there. Apply. OK. Go to story 15. Select external beams. Go to story 15. Select external beams. Go to assign frame loads distributed 0.2 kN per meter. Apply. Okay. Go to story 20. Select external limbs. Go to assign frame loads distributed. 0.2 is there. Apply. Okay. Now I have to delete the cladding loads on the top floor. So go to story 23. Select one story option. If the one story option is not there, go to display and select undeformed shapes. Select here one story option. Select external beams. Go to assign frame loads distributed. Delete existing load. Apply. Okay. Now all the dead loads and live loads are assigned. Go to draw. Auto draw cladding option. Use floors. Okay. So cladding is there now. Now we'll assign the wind load. First go to load patterns. Here type wind. Load type. Select as wind. Select IS code 875 2015. Add the new load. Then modify the lateral load. Here we will import the parameters required for the wind load calculation. So we will be considering that our building is built in Bangalore. So according to that, the data for these parameters is collected from the IS code 875. The wind speed there is 33. The terrain category. The Bangalore terrain category comes in category 3.
The important factor is 1,
As this is a residential building.
the topography factor for the Bangalore is also 1. The risk coefficient factor is also 1.
The importance factor is according to the class. So our building comes in class 3 as it is a high-rise building. So we'll change the importance factor to 1.3. Keep the default other options. Select OK. Again select OK. Now we'll go to elevation. Okay. Here select all street option. The windward coefficients can be found out from IS 875 code by the height to width ratio of building and length to width ratio of building. So according to dimensions of our building, the wind coefficients for the various surfaces are marked here. We will put them in the software now. For the elevation A, 0.8. So select the claddings. Go to assign shell loads, wind pressure coefficients. Select the windward options. Put the coefficient as 0.8. Apply and OK. Go to elevation. Select B. OK. As the surface is also faces the same in same direction, We will select these claddings and assign them the same wind pressure coefficient of 0.8. Okay. Now for elevation T. The windward coefficient is minus 0.25. So select the claddings. Go to assign shell loads uniform pressure coefficient. Put in minus 0.25. Select the direction as leeward. Apply. Okay. Go to elevation C. As this cladding also faces in the same direction, select these claddings and apply the same coefficient. Now for the other direction, select elevation 1. Select the claddings. Go to assign shell loads in pressure coefficient. Select the sides. Here our coefficient is minus 0.8 for both the directions. So apply. Okay. Select the 3D view. Select Yuke extrude for frame objects. Go to plan of story 1. You can see the wind loads are applied. Now go to analyze and run analysis. First we have to save the model. So we will save the models. All ready. We will save the model as tall building design. Save. The analysis is run. The analysis results are available now. We can see the displacements here. Also go to display option. Force stress diagrams. Frames. Here all the options like movement, shear in various directions are available. Click on any option which you want. Select apply and OK. Also you can check the various elements by right clicking. Shear force movement diagrams for those frames member. Now we will perform design on our building model. Go to design, concrete frame design, view and revise references. Make sure design code is IS 456. Select OK. Go to design. Conclude from design. Start design check. The analysis and design sections for 705 concrete members is different. So click on yes. Again, reiterate the design for 10 failed concrete members. Select one yes. So the design results are here. We can see the longitudinal reinforcements data in the 3D View tab by default for any members. For more details, we can select the right click, see the bottom still, top still, and shear still data. We will start detailing now. So the detailings are here. Here we can see the drawing sheet for the beam details, column details, stem details, the 3D render views of the cage of the reinforcements. Other drawing sheets will include the column shadows and beam shadows. Here we have the report. There are two types of report are there, the project report and the summary report. The project report contains full data. Of the project. The summary report is somewhat a summary of the project report. So we can see the 360 pages project report. We can print this report. So we have successfully designed a tall building in the tabs and created its project report.
Thank you.